Hello everyone, nice to meet you again. Today I have finished another website which is restaurant menu webpage which I inspire from a local t-shirt which I usually buy. This website has 4 main pages which are home, menu, about and contact, and this is the home page. When you go to menu, you can see various kind of menu you can choose, and when you go to about, you can see the background story of the fictional website. So it is absolutely fictional, you don't have to take anything seriously from this. If you go to contact page, the customer conveniently complain they are inconvenience anonymously to the admin both. And here also you can see the phone number. And when you go to home page, you can go to the menu page with go to menu page, and this is the special menu order of the restaurant. The t-shirt that I usually go, they all often display their special menu of the day. If they take it seriously or not, they put it on the table. So I inspire from this, and I put this today's special menu, so they are informing the customer that what they put too much effort on this dish of that day. Okay, so the customer can enjoy for it. So when you put order, it will go directly to the order section of the menu.html. So I have put that special dip before, and so its quantity increased to 2 from 1. Here you can remove any item you don't want to order anymore, and you can add various kind of dishes you want, like plain rice, toasted rice, fried egg, etc. You can add a tea, various kind of tea, samosa. When you add product, it will make you choose between sugar or bean paste. If you have some kind of stomach problem or intestine problem like diarrhea, you cannot choose bean paste, right? So if so, you can choose sugar. Yeah. Some do not have options, so the option bar will not appear. So when you press keema, the option bars are chicken, mutton, and beef. So it will appear according to the category. When you press mohinga, it will ask you various type of topping. When we eat mohinga, the price of mohinga will rise according to the amount of topping you add. So if you want to add with all of the topping, the price you will have to pay a higher price. Yeah, this is all. You can check and delete. You can increase. You can check and delete whatever dishes you do not want. You can delete. If you have confirmed that your order, and you can press order now, it will bring you to order page. Here, so the ordered item are displayed in the local storage of the browser. So it is persistent. This consistent is persistent across the pages. When you browse across the pages, and so here it will ask you delivery or takeout. It is if you press delivery, it will ask your address, and the fee will be 1,000 Jack. Here I will enter my name, gender, and phone number will be, and address will be number 3 Transformer Road. Okay, that's all. You can add your city, whatever you want. When you press order, you have to enter the amount. It is intended for future transaction system, but now you have to enter the amount you have to pay. Press confirm. The order placed successfully is displayed as an alert. When you check the console, you can see the order data is saved as an object, which is absolutely prepared for the sending API data to the backend Django server. And another feature that I like to display about this is absolutely mobile responsive, and it does not design only for the various screen size of the browser. You can see it is very mobile responsive, you know. It is intended for various kind of mobile device. Here you can see this is Galaxy S8, S3. Here you can see that this is the menu page that is responsive to various kind of screen size. Yeah. Okay, that's all. And firstly, I intended to upload my project when I have finished both front end and back end, but I think this is front end alone deserves to be displayed as a whole project, and I will come back later with the back end, which is integration this with backend SQL and Django server and admin dashboard, which will operate as a fully functioning restaurant ordering web application. But now, that's all. Thank you for watching me. See you very soon with a full stack website of this Tan Luan Cafe restaurant order application. Thank you so much for watching. See you very